Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw me back to you. By now we should have somehow realized what he got into. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do. But you know